Dear students, in this part of the chemical properties of non-metal, we are going to study the reaction of non-metals with halogens. Halogens elements are called chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. These are halogens. When phosphorus react with chlorine, it can produce either phosphorus trichloride or phosphorus pentachloride. When hydrogen and chlorine react together, they will form hydrogen chloride gas, which is acidic in nature, and when dissolved in water form hydrochloric acid. But this reaction take place in presence of sunlight in the atmosphere. Also, whenever sulfur react with fluorine, they form SF6, that is sulfur hexafluoride. This reaction occurs at very high temperature. Keep in mind, first two reaction take place on heating. This is symbol for heating. This take place in presence of sunlight, and this can take place only at very high temperature. While writing this equation, must mention these conditions. Now we will study the reaction of metals with hydrogen. Hydrogen reacts with non-metal in different non-metal to produce different type of their compounds. For example, when sulfur reacts with hydrogen, it forms hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S. This is a gas which has its characteristic smell of rotten egg, सड़ा हुआ अंडा. Now H2 plus N2. This also take place in atmosphere during thunder lightning and produce like ammonia gas. This is basic in nature. Note that H2S is weak acid and ammonia NH3 is weak base, weak acid. Now when hydrogen and oxygen combine together, they form water, which is neutral. Now we will study the displacement reaction of nonmetals. As you have already studied in metal that a strong metal displaces a weak metal from its compound. In the same way, a strong electronegative element, that is a strong non-metal, displaces a weak non-metal from its compound. Now before going to describe, I am going to erase it. Displacement reaction in nonmetals. I have already discussed that a more active nonmetal displaces a less active nonmetal from its compound. Between bromine and chlorine is more, chlorine, bromine, bromine, iodine, etc. Means chlorine is more active than bromine. Hence, this chlorine will displaces bromine and occupy its space, forming KCl, and Br2 is displaced. In the same way, chlorine is more reactive than iodine, hence it displaces it to form and occupy its space, forming K plus Cl, KCl. The equations are not balanced. You should balance yourself. Now and again I ask to subscribe my channel and like my video.